Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram filters. So first you have to go to the Play Store, and after that you need to find Instagram, and then you need to update your Instagram. And after the update is complete, you need to go back, and in the home you need to press the Instagram app in your screen just like this and tap on the app information. And what you have to do is go to the stories and cache. And after that, you have to tap on the clear cache, which is just in the bottom. And after the cache has been cleared, you need to go to the Instagram again and go to your story. And over here, which is on the bottom, you could see a lot of filters right over here. And just like this. And this is how you can fix the Instagram filters. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.